Hi everybody, so here we have the greylag geese. Looks like they're all having a wash together. I love the way geese gather in large groups. This particular day it was really warm here, and to be honest I wish I could have joined the geese for a swim to cool off. The greylag geese's diet consists of grass, roots, cereal leaves and spilled grain. Their feathers cream, buff brown, grey and white. Legs are pink and orange and the length 76 to 89 centimetres. Habitats urban and suburban, marine, farmland, wetland and grassland. UK breeding pairs 47,000. UK wintering 510,000. I had great fun here watching the greylag geese. I could have watched them all day long. So I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you very much for stopping by and watching. I really appreciate it.